So, you're ready to take your business global, huh? But you're tired of those hefty international transfer fees and the hassle of traditional banking. Well, let me introduce you to a game changer, Airwallex. Airwallex is a fintech platform that's revolutionizing the way businesses handle cross-border payments. It offers a suite of financial solutions, including multi-currency accounts, international transfers, and virtual cards. This means you can streamline your global operations, save money, and focus on what really matters, growing your business. Step-by-step guide. Visit the Airwallex website. Head over to the Airwallex website. It's a sleek, user-friendly platform that's designed to make your financial life easier. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your business, such as your company name, email address, and phone number. Verify your identity. Airwallex takes security seriously. You'll need to verify your identity by providing some documentation, such as a passport or driver's license. This is a standard procedure to comply with regulatory requirements. Complete the application process. Once you've verified your identity, you'll need to provide more details about your business, including your business structure, industry, and annual revenue. Be as accurate as possible to ensure a smooth application process. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Airwallex to review your information. This process usually takes a few business days. Activate your account. Once your account is approved, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to activate it. Simply follow the steps provided in the email. Key features of Airwallex. Multi-currency accounts hold and manage multiple currencies in one place. International transfers send and receive money globally at competitive rates. Virtual cards issue virtual cards for your team to make payments online. Foreign exchange convert currencies easily and securely. API integration integrate Airwallex's API into your business systems for seamless financial operations. Tips for a smooth sign-up process. Gather your documents. Have all the necessary documents ready before you start the application process. Be accurate. Provide accurate and up-to-date information about your business. Be patient. The approval process may take a few days, so be patient. Reach out to support. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Airwallex's customer support team. With Airwallex, you can simplify your global financial operations and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for an Airwallex account today and experience the future of finance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.